Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and you keep getting this crash, a D3D12 device crash has been detected, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this crash on Black Myth Wukong easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to update your graphics card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Intel GPU. If you have an Intel card, you're going to go on to intel.com. Then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA afterwards. You're going to go into support, download center, and then graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers. Now I'll show you AMD. You're going to go on to AMD.com, resources and support, drivers, scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your model and then series, select your operating system, and then download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. Now to NVIDIA, you're going to go on to NVIDIA.com, click onto drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphics card along with your operating system. After that, click find and it will find the correct GeForce game ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, now you're going to install them. Once you're done with installing the drivers, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam for me. And then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Black Myth Wukong, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify and target your game files on Black Myth Wukong. Once you do that, it will verify your games files. And if there are any files corrupted, then it will re-download those files. After you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Black Myth Wukong's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, from files A6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Black Myth Wukong. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Black Myth Wukong exe, go into properties, go into compatibility, and then click run this program as an administrator. Also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.